this beautiful stuff. That's the same stuff my rugs and underneath my feet are made out of. It's just carpet. We're cut it to fit. I don't know what I'm going to do with this yet. The problem is these all cover. Oh, hold on. Yes, these have window covers. These are the top windows in the sleeper. But an insane amount of heat. Like right here is hot, but right here, just all this heat is coming in. So they should seal like that. Then you would actually have something that the heat didn't come in on. How are you great and wonderful people doing on this beautiful day? Our current temperature right now, as we said, is 89 degrees. The wind is blowing slightly, but the wind has decided to start going down so far, so we're doing good there. We are parked just off of Interstate 380. We're going to go find us a nice place to park. We're probably going to aim for that Iowa 80 or just jump into Illinois, maybe find one of the rest areas where we're going to do just a few modifications to the truck. If you guys remember back quite a few videos, I did a little temperature tester, and going down the road, the floor of the truck, this wood floor that everybody would love to have, this wood floor was 96 degrees. And granted, that was on a 100-degree day, but the floor was 96 degrees. Those little covers that I recorded just a second ago around the windows were setting around that 80 to 90 degrees, and this is going down the road, not setting. So we're going to stop. We're going to do a few modifications. We're going to make the floor, hopefully, if it doesn't take too long, we're going to make the floor a little bit softer. I just really don't want to just sit here and rip the floor up and put all new floor in. I could do it. It'd be easy to do. I just don't want to do it. I'm lazy. They really don't want that load to be gotten into. Huge cable lock between two holes. Then they put another padlock cable set up on the bottom of it. I'd hate to see where that guy is running. We're making progress here. Basically what these are is just insulated floor mats. Because I cut them back here. This was all covered with this mat before. But I'm like, okay, that looks a little cheap, looks a little cheesy. Ignore all the dirt, please. But insulated floor mats. You can still see a little wood. Once I put the cleaner to that wood, it'll shine. And you can follow it up through. Good rug, good rug. Got the rug on the other side. Now I just got to decide what I'm going to do with the middle. If I'm going to cover it all or leave this portion to this portion wood, and then just the middle will be covered, carpeted of course. And then like I said, you can clean the wood all up. It'll give wood accents. I'm realizing real quick though, I need to get these seats out of here and get them cleaned up. They are filthy, and I don't know where all this dust comes in. Dog hair I understand, but the dust and the dirt. I don't live on a gravel. I don't run gravels. I don't drive with shoes on. I don't like driving with shoes on. It gets things dirty and it just isn't comfortable. So when you can take your shoes off and you rub them across nice, fresh carpet, nothing's better than that. A little bit of wood peeking out here and there. I'll keep that for the cosmetic reasons of wood. But other than that, I think we accomplished our goal. We did not get the sleeper done though. Like I said, I got to put that mat down and then get some carpet for the back. As for right now, I am darn glad that we are at Walcott, Iowa 80, because they have dumpsters. They don't just have garbage cans, they have dumpsters. And that right there is a lot of garbage. Now we celebrate my accomplishment with 2 peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. We have about 6 hours left in our journey, right at around 325 miles. We better get underway or we might actually be late. And I don't want to be late because I did this, but this did take a little bit longer than expected. It just kind of dawned on me, I think I forgot to tell you guys where we were going. We're heading for Greenfield, Indiana with 42 or 43,000 pounds of frozen ribs in the trailer. Once we get out to Greenfield, Indiana, it's going to be the same as usual. But if you're new to the channel, we're going to drop this trailer off and we're going to pick up an empty trailer. Got to driving down the road and I'm thinking, holy smokes, I made it through most of the video and I think I forgot to tell them what's all going on. I do apologize for that. We are on our final 60-mile run here. We're going to jump back onto Highway 32, I think it is, and take our 2-lane. In a previous video, we had spoke about being completely stranded on this road because of road construction. But this is the perk of driving in the middle of the night. You don't have to worry about said road construction or that much traffic. You time things right, Indiana's not too bad. Basically make sure the sun is down. And that is how dropping hooks are supposed to work. These Vanguard trailers that we pulled out, and we're hooking up to another one to take it back, they are naked. There's no lights. You just have your basic fleet trailer style lights to them. We don't have to run the reefer for our reload. This one has a carrier on it. They're not too bad of trailers though. Tandem slide nice. They're brand new, but the tandem slide nice. Everything seems to work on them. They're a good squared off trailer. When I say squared off, I mean the wings on the sides don't flap out. You know, they stay square with the trailer. They have shiny heinies. See? They have shiny heinies. All right, we're gonna run over here. We're gonna grab our paperwork, turn in our paperwork, and then we are going to head for Plymouth, Indiana. It's about 130, 140 miles north of here. I am not a really observant person, but when did John Christner start pulling Hirschback trailers? Because I have never seen Christian trailers in here before, and now I see a lot of them in here. And then I see one leaving pulling a Hirschback trailer. That seems new to me. But like I said, I'm not real observant. My poor hand, she's in rough shape today. Between doing that stuff to the floor, then I just smacked it on the trailer. I'm hoping those stitches are holding in solid. Nothing's bleeding through, so I think we're okay. It's not doing too bad. It actually looks like it's healing up pretty nicely. I need to drink some more water. I haven't drank any water today. Like, you know, I need to drink more. I think that helps things heal a little faster too. Changing that bandages. I don't know how often I should be doing it, but I'm doing it at least twice a day. I want to keep it as clean as possible because I need it to heal up quick. And, well, anything I can do to make it heal up faster, I'm well going to do. We've made it up here to wherever we are in Indiana. We're going to get loaded first thing in the morning. Well, actually, no, we're not going to get loaded first thing in the morning because I'm going to set my alarm and we'll wake up midday, and then they can load us. Judging they don't walk over here and wake us up. That is something you have to risk whenever you park on property. And well, you're a night owl like me and like to sleep in a little bit. Sometimes they walk all the way over here and they will wake you up, and that's just not pleasant when that happens. That's the worst way to wake up. Boom, 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 people knocking on my door. I hate waking up that way. That drive up here though, Plymouth, we're in Plymouth, Indiana. The drive up here on that Highway 31, that was nice. It's been about 4 years, 3, maybe 4 years since we've been here to get this load. And I don't remember that Highway 31 being that nice. Speed limit was 60 miles per hour the whole way. I'm assuming it was 60 miles per hour the whole way. That's how fast I was going. And it was just peaceful. Nice drive, and I really liked it. For Indiana standards, that road was smooth. And it's hard to find smooth roads like that in Indiana. That's all I got for you guys tonight, though, or today and tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. You guys stay safe, and as always, I'll see you next time. That salad is supposed to feed one person. That is a really big salad. It may not look, that's my hand. It may not look like it's a big salad on camera here, but that's a big salad. Looks good though, so we're gonna eat it.